Hi, welcome to Yoga and YouTube channel. This content is 15 minutes morning yoga flow. We are going to practice from supine position and then transition into standing position. Sit with cross-legged pose. Just place your hands on your knees or thighs. Close your eyes. Be aware of your breath. Inhale, bring the fresh air, expanded rib cage. Exhale all the air out. Inhale fully. Exhale completely. Inhale. Exhale. And moving the neck side to side, back and forth. Gentle movements to release any tension on your neck area. Open your eyes. Bring your feet together, supine butterfly position. Lie down on the back. Feel the opening of your hips. Feel your breath. Breathe in, breathe out. And then bring the knees together, kneecaps towards the sky. Hugging the knees into the chest, gently move side to side to massage your lower back. Open the arms by the side, engaging your abs nice and tight, gently moving the legs to the side to side. Draw the shoulders down. We are moving with controlling the body. Right and left. Slowly, with control. Coming back to center. Hug your knees into the chest. Keep hugging the left leg. Extend the right leg straight on the mat. Relax the shoulders. Chin slightly toward your chest. Breathe here. And extend the left leg towards the sky. Grasp your back thigh and gently pull the leg towards your chest. And you can also grasp your calf. If you feel tight here, you can stay where you are. Especially in the morning, try to be gentle and listen to your body. And flex that left foot to intensify stretch on your hamstring. Bend the left leg, spinal twist. Open the left arm, turn your neck to the left, using the right hand to support your left knee. One more inhale. Exhale back to center. Both knees together. Hugging your knees into the chest. Keep holding your right leg extend the left leg on the mat. And straighten your right leg, grasp your hamstring or calf. Gently pull the leg toward your chest. Breathe here. The important part of this practice to fill your body with breathing is not about just stretching a lot. This could work today, but maybe not tomorrow. Or maybe on the contrary, we are doing our best with boundary of understanding ourselves. Do your own practice. Good. Bend that right leg. Twist your spine to the left. Support your right leg with the left hand. Turn your neck to the right. Opening your right arm. Draw your shoulders down. Breathe here. One more inhale. Exhale, coming back to center. Bringing the knees into the chest, giving yourself a big hug. And 5 times roll back and forth. Massage your spine. On the last roll, we are going to meet at Malasana, deep squat position. Heels in, toes out. Place your hands on the mat. Moving the hips side to side. You can lift the heels to stretch your soles of the feet as well. Feeling your inner thighs. Place your hands on your thighs, straighten the legs into standing position. Feet are hip distance apart, parallel each other. Inhale, reaching the arms up, open the chest. Exhale, coming back to center. Inhale, raise your arms, open the chest. Exhale, release. One more, inhale. Exhale. Now place your left hand on your right low rib, feeling this extension of space reaching the right arm up towards your right ear. Breathe. And coming back to center, place your right hand on your left low rib, feeling this extension of space, left arm towards your left ear. One more deep breath. Exhale, release. Just take one more deep breath in and out. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, fold forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway lengthen. Exhale, place your hands down on the mat, step back to plank. Inhale here. Exhale, bend the elbows, drop your belly all the way down to the mat. Inhale, lift the chest, cobra pose. Exhale, chest down, tuck your toes, lift your hips all the way into downward facing dog. Breathe here. Right foot forward, left foot forward. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthen the spine. Exhale, belly to the thigh, fold forward. Inhale, draw big circle, raise your arms up overhead. Exhale, bringing your hands at your heart center. Inhale, raise your arms up, palms touch, gaze your thumbs. Exhale, fold all the way down, hinging at the hips. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthen the spine. Exhale, hands to the mat, step back to plank. Inhale here. Exhale, lower all the way down. Inhale, elbows close to the chest, lift the heart, cobra. Exhale, chest down, tuck your toes, hips back to downward facing dog. Really tuning into your body here, lengthening your spine, stretch your back thighs. Step forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, raise your arms overhead, palms touch. Exhale, bringing your hands at your heart center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hinging at the hips. Hands to the mat. Step back to middle of the mat. Bend the right knee deeply, straighten your left leg. Left hand on the mat, twist your spine to the right, reaching the right arm up towards the sky. One more deep breath. Exhale, switch side. Right hand down to the mat, bend the left knee, straighten your right leg, left hand all the way up to the sky. One more deep breath. Exhale, hands down. And squat down into Malasana. Heels in, toes out. Reaching the arms all the way to the top of the mat. You can use your fingertips to create more space here. Moving the hips side to side and feeling this space on your side body. When you move to the left, stretching your right side body. When you move to the right, stretching your left side body. And then slowly sit down on the mat. You will feel your sit bones better when you take your flesh out from your buttocks. Bring your feet together, flex the feet. Inhale here. Exhale, fold forward. Paschimottanasana. Stretching the hamstrings, the lower back. Gently breathe here. Inhale, exhale. Slowly coming back up, cross-legged seated position. Close your eyes. Feel your body. Awaken your mind. Take deep breath and steady breath. We're gonna close up with one big circle. Inhale, reaching your arms up overhead. Exhale, bringing your hands at your heart center. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me today. Have a wonderful day. Namaste. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked, please hit the like button. I hope to see you in the next videos. See you soon.